During the process of using a grinder to polish a material, a worker was fully equipped with protective gear. However, a high-power fan operating behind him created a strong airflow that blew the edge of his protective apron into the rotating grinding disc. The incident occurred suddenly, leaving the worker no time to react and resulting in a serious accident. This situation highlights the importance of organizing a safe working environment, eliminating potential hazards that may be drawn into rotating machinery, and maintaining a safe distance between protective equipment and operating machines. It also emphasizes the need to assess risks before starting any task to prevent similar accidents. A worker was using a hoist to lift a large steel plate onto a truck bed. However, due to the plate's weight exceeding the hoist's load capacity or unstable handling, the steel plate slipped out of the lifting system and fell freely to the ground. Fortunately, the operator moved out of the hazardous area just in time, avoiding a potentially serious injury. This incident highlights the importance of verifying the load capacity of lifting equipment, properly securing materials during lifting, and establishing exclusion zones beneath suspended loads to ensure worker safety. During operations inside a storage warehouse where multiple rolls of plastic liners, highly flammable material, were stacked, 2 workers were performing their tasks. After one worker left the area, the remaining worker moved around to inspect the surroundings. For reasons unknown or due to a lack of awareness of the associated hazards, the worker used a lighter and ignited one of the plastic liner rolls. Immediately, flames erupted intensely. Although the worker quickly realized the severity of the situation, he was unable to control the fire. The material ignited rapidly, causing the fire to spread uncontrollably throughout the warehouse. At a household, the connector of the gas cylinder became detached, causing gas to leak and spread throughout the kitchen area. The couple approached the gas cylinder to check the situation. At that moment, the leaked gas had already reached the kitchen, where an open flame was still present. Immediately, the gas ignited and caused a strong flare-up, resulting in a serious incident. The incident highlights the importance of regularly inspecting and maintaining the gas system and its connectors, immediately extinguishing all sources of flame when the smell of gas is detected, avoiding the leak area, ensuring proper ventilation, and contacting a qualified technician for assistance. 2 workers moved directly on a conveyor that was in operation, showing negligence and a failure to follow safety procedures. One of the workers even engaged in playful behavior on the conveyor. Shortly afterward, this individual's foot became trapped in the gap between conveyor components, resulting in a serious accident. The incident demonstrates that walking, standing, or playing on an operating conveyor is strictly prohibited. Workers must adhere to safety regulations at all times. Compliance with these rules is essential to prevent accidents. 2 workers were using a hoisting system to lift a heavy piece of equipment onto a truck bed. During the lifting process, the load exceeded the capacity of the hoist cable, or improper handling occurred, causing the cable to snap unexpectedly. The equipment then fell freely onto the truck bed, lifting the front of the truck off the ground and resulting in significant damage. Fortunately, the equipment did not fall on the 2 workers, preventing serious injuries. This incident once again highlights the importance of verifying the allowable load capacity of lifting equipment before operation, using hoist cables, lifting hooks, and accessories that meet safety standards. During the process of cutting and removing excess steel, the workers did not inspect or clear the area beneath the cutting position. When the steel section was detached, it fell and struck a compressed gas cylinder. The impact damaged the cylinder, causing gas leakage and creating a serious safety hazard. This incident highlights the importance of safety measures such as inspecting, clearing, and removing obstacles from the entire work area before performing any cutting or dismantling activities. At an area where a crane was being used to lift steel pipes, a worker was standing nearby to observe the operation. While the equipment was in use, a steel object suddenly fell from height and struck the worker on the head, causing a serious accident. This incident highlights the importance of strictly adhering to safety exclusion zones under suspended loads. In addition, it is essential to inspect the condition of hooks, cables, and securing methods before lifting to prevent dropped objects and avoid severe accidents.